G'day DIYers. I'm just putting a bit of silicone around this niche. I just glued it in this morning. I was an hour and a half late for work. It took me 2 hours to get here this morning. There was a big accident on the highway, and when that happens, you're in trouble. And they're wanting to bring out flying cars. They haven't even got it right down on the roads. So what's going to happen? Don't know. Anyway, it'll be interesting to see when they bring out flying cars. This is all just the waterproofing process. You know, the reason why you always bog up around the taps, because water can be sucked in behind the cover plate, and they think it's a leaking shower, but it's actually water being sucked in there, and it runs down the other side of the wall, and people think they have a leaky shower, but it's not. I'll put a glove on, I think. When you're doing silicone in your shower to waterproof up, it pays to wear gloves. Then you can get in there and do your thing. I'll come back to that as a the reason why I do it with my thumb or finger, because it pushes it in. Waterproofing's easy, but you just need to work the right system, do the right system. So you don't forget anything. Take that off. Tidy that up a little bit. It's good, good. That's good now. Little bit of a hole. It's got it. Cool, good one. Nail hole there. No biggie. That, I'll run some waterproof tape over that and we'll have that right. I'll be running up there with silicone. It's outside the shower, but you still waterproof it. I'll be waterproofing right through. I've got to cut that, trim that back a bit. That's for handyman stuff. I'll attend to that shortly. I'm going to be putting a niche over at the end of the bath shortly. Here I'll put my tape across there. It's out of the water line, it's above the shower, but it's still good if it's sealed up. Okay, I'll come back to you shortly. I'll just do a little bit more here. This is Chriso signing off. We'll see you soon. Always looking, I'm always looking. Always look for holes or anything like that that you've missed. Always look, chook. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.